ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। इदानीं भवती गायतु। अरुणा भगिनी।
ध्यान श्लोकाः। ओम पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायत्पत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः। प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवैत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धार नीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहिनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण घोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैः रणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः। पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूया भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीता महत्यम्। गीता शास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्। गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता। भारतामृत सर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्राद्विनिसृतं गीता गन्धोत्कटं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सुधिर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। अथ ध्यानम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिवृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदोक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः। हरि ओम्।
भगिनी। इदानीं अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति शत्रुप्रत्ययः इति। तर्हि किञ्चित् पुनस्मारणं कारयामि। इदानीम् अहं किञ्चित् I will share the screen. दृश्यते वा सर्वैः हलन्तशब्दानां विभक्तिप्रत्ययः?
दृश्यते महोदय।
एतत् अस्माभिः पूर्वं पठितमस्ति। तत्र प्रथमे कोष्टके मया सामान्यतः ये प्रत्ययाः विधीयन्ते तेषाम् आवली दत्ता अस्ति। अनन्तरं द्वितीये कोष्टके अत्र एकः अहं लिखितवान् अत्प्रत्ययान्तशब्दः, अस्य उदाहरणं लिखितवान् गच्छत्। तस्य रूपाणि भवन्ति गच्छन्, गच्छन्तौ, गच्छन्तः, गच्छन्तं, गच्छन्तौ, गच्छतः इति। तस्मिन् समये प्रायः कश्चित् पृष्टवान् आसीत् यत् अत्प्रत्ययान्ते इत्युक्ते शत्रुप्रत्ययान्त वा? तस्य उत्तरमस्ति आम्, शत्रुप्रत्ययान्त एव। तस्यैव अद्य किञ्चित् विस्तरेण अध्ययनं करवामः। तर्हि इदानीम् अहम् एकम् उद्घाटयामि। शत्रुप्रत्ययः। सो किं नाम शत्रुप्रत्ययः, किमर्थं तस्य उपयोगः भवति इति। तत्पूर्वं पुनरावर्तनं करवामः। अहं लृङ्लकारस्य पाठनसमये एतदहं पाठितवान्। द्वयोः क्रिययोः परस्परसम्बन्धः कथं वक्तुं शक्नुमः इति। इदानीम् उभयोः क्रिययोः कर्ता समानः अस्ति। अनन्तरं प्रथमायाः क्रियायाः समाप्तेः अनन्तरम् एव द्वितीया क्रिया आरभते। तस्मिन् समये वयं सर्वे जानीमः प्रथमाः क्रियायाः त्वा प्रत्ययः विधीयते। अनन्तरं तस्य उदाहरणं बालकः गृहं गत्वा भोजनं। प्रथमा क्रिया गमनं, तर्हि गत्वा इति अत्र अस्ति लिखितम्। अनन्तरं द्वितीया क्रिया अस्ति, सा वर्तमानकाले भवेत् अथवा लङ्लकारे भवेत् अथवा लृट्लकारे, तस्य कोऽपि विशेषः नास्ति। परन्तु प्रथमा क्रिया यः अस्ति गमनं, तस्य गत्वा इति रूपं करणीयम्। उपसर्गः अस्ति चेत् ल्यबन्तं रूपं वयं तत्र तस्य ल्यबन्तरूपस्य उपयोगं कुर्मः। परन्तु एतस्य किं भवति, मुख्यः अंशः प्रथमायाः क्रियायाः समाप्तेः अनन्तरम् एव द्वितीया क्रिया आरभते। दिस् इस् मोर् इम्पार्टेण्ट्, that the first kriya is over, no more doing, and then the second one, I mean in the grammar, not in the tense, it may be karoti, akarot, karishyati. This kriya is the second in time. But suppose a person does multiple actions at the same time, what happens? So that is this one. Anekaha kriyaha yugapat. Yugapat ityukte simultaneously. यदि एकः मनुष्यः एव अथवा भगिनी, at a time simultaneously two things, and ladies are very prone to that. They'll be cooking, they'll be doing so many other things simultaneously. Or the men, they'll be taking coffee, reading the newspaper, watching the TV, so many things. So how to do that? अनेकानां क्रियाणां कर्ता समानः अस्ति, एकेन एव कर्त्रा अनेकाः क्रियाः युगपत् क्रियन्ते. Simultaneously, many actions are being done by the same person. Now, व्याकरणशास्त्रे एकः मुख्य नियमः अस्ति, एकतिङ् वाक्यं. means in one sentence you can use only one tinganta pradam. Okay. Then एकस्याः क्रियायाः निर्देशः तिङन्तेन भवति चेत् अन्यासां क्रियाणां निर्देशः कथं कर्तुं शक्नुमः वयं? How, what is the way out? A person is reading newspaper, he is drinking coffee, he is watching TV, he is listening to music, so many things. And he is thinking at the back of his mind, all these things. But when you describe this, व्याकरणस्य नियमः अस्ति एकस्मिन् वाक्ये एकमेव तिङन्तं पदं भवेत्. Okay. Now one short, what is again short shrift answer is you add cha, saha chayam pibadi, दूरदर्शनं पश्यति च, संगीतं शृणोति च, and all that cha, but they are all different. This one, it is not an elaborate grammar arrangement. Okay, so तदा यदि एतादृशी परिस्थितिः अस्ति तदा सर्वासां क्रियाणां कर्ता एकः अस्ति, अतः एकां विहाय अन्यासां क्रियाणां कर्ता अपि सः एव अस्ति इति विशेषणविशेष्यसम्बन्धः स्थापनीयः. So use only one thing anta. Sa दूरदर्शनं पश्यति, that's all. And rest all the kriyas you put as if he is doing that in a visheshan visheshya bhava. Okay. Then, in the simple English, I can say a person who is drinking coffee, who is watching TV, who is listening to music, is thinking something. So that, thinking, watching, drinking, all that becomes the visheshanas of that person. This is how it's done in Sanskrit. So how to, this is Shatru athva Shanach Pratyam Upayujya etat shakyate. This is possible by using either Shatru or Shanach Pratyaya. Now what happens is Shatru Shanach Pratyayo Krut Pratyeshu Anyatamo. Again I remind that what is Krut Pratyayas? You add Krut Pratyaya to any dhatu, they give this one, Pratipadikam. And this Shatru or Shanach Pratyaya, if you add to the dhatu, they will give Pratipadikam, which are the Visheshan of that Karta, one who is doing that Kriya. Suppose he is drinking Pibati. So, and I'll show you how that Shatru is obtained. But Pibat or Piban is the Visheshan of that, this one. So that is a Pratipadikam. It is obtained from dhatu pa by attaching some Shatru Pratyaya. Okay. So I have written here Shatru and Shanach. What is the difference? So Shatru Pratyaya Parasmay Padi Dhatubhya Vidhiyate and Shanach Pratyaya Atmane Padi Dhatubhya Vidhiyate. That is the only difference. Okay. Both mean the same. They create a Visheshan of the person who is doing that Kriya. Okay. So now, since we had two different lessons, today we will be discussing mostly on Shatru Pratyaya, nothing about Shanach. Shanach we will take up later. So, what is the Shatru Pratyaya? Parasmay Padi Dhatu plus Shatru Pratyaya will give Shatrantam Pratipadikam. Shatrantam is Shatru Pratyaya Asti Ante Yasya Tat Shatrantam. Shatrantam. So dhatu plus pratyaya is equal to pratipadikam. This is our basic rule. Okay. So now what happens is Shatru here shakaraha asti. That is like I said, packing. It has to be discarded. And rukaraha, that ru dhatu asti, that is also to be discarded. They are like, in Vyakaran we call anubandha or it's on whatever it is. They are like packings on a wrapper or writings on the wrapper of a product which tell us to do something. Okay, so for us that is not a important thing. Already there are so many things available. So what happens is only at remains, and it gives a dhatu kriyaya kartuhu visheshanam, that this indicates this when you add this at to the this one dhatu, it gives a pratipadikam which is the visheshanam of the person who is doing the karta, kartuhu visheshanam. Ataha visheshana visheshya bhava. So that is the main important thing. Now, and this is at pratyant pratipadikam. I'll again go back to this one. At pratyanta shabda, gachat and all that. Okay. So how that is done is this one. So now next, I have given some example, udharanani. Patha plus at pathat. Nama plus at namat. Gama plus at gachat. Of course, why not gamat? Is because we know that gachati, gachata, gachanti, that is the form in the lat lakar. Likha plus at likhat. Chala plus at chalat. Nrita plus at nrityat. Chala plus at chalat. Drusha plus at pashat. Sprusha plus at sprushat. Chura plus at chorayat. Sruj plus at srujat. Bhu plus at bhavat. Da plus at dadat. Dha plus at dadat. Gra plus at jigrat. Graha plus at grannat. Now there are 2000 laddus. I not go into out of 2000. Some are parasmepadi, so they're also about 1000 and odd. I'll not go into the all this one. This is just few examples I have given, and this patat, namad, gachat, sprushat, chorat, these are all the pratipadikas. They are not the vibhakti rupas. You know pratipadik, the difference between pratipadikam and the vibhakti pratyanta rupam. So how to get that this one, but how to use this in the uh, sentence. The first we will learn that, and then so shatranta shabdanam upayogaha vakye katham bhavati. See balaka, as I said, same person is doing two or more things. So keep one tinganta in the sentence and rest all change to shatru or shanaj pratyanta. Here, since all the dhatus are parasmepadi, we will think of shatranta. So balakaha gachati, balaka pashati. So one of them you change to shatru. So gachan balakaha pashyati. A boy who is going, he sees. Or pashyan balakaha gachati. A boy who is seeing, he goes. I mean, that is the uh, interrelation. You keep only one, this one. Suppose there are more than two kriyas. So balakaha gachati, pashyati, khadati. So make only one as tinganta, rest all shatru pratyanta. So khadan pashyan balakaha gachati means a boy who is eating and who is seeing, he goes. That is a simple thing. Okay. Balakaha dhavati patati. So dhavan balakaha patati. So boy who is running, he falls down. So in this sentence, you can see either you can use that as an adjective, a running boy falls down, or you can use in the sense of you are describing at that moment while running he falls down, that while doing something. Okay, that is also possible in English, but in Sanskrit both mean the same thing. Now Rupa Siddhi. Okay. So this is slightly more involved. Please pay proper attention. First we'll go to Pullingi Shabdaha. So there are two divisions here. Now, before I come to this, I will remind you of something else. Here, I think I had long back, I had taught about Dhatu Gananam Vikarana Pratyaha. So I had given 10 ganas in the Dhatu Patha. Each gana has its name. First gana is Bhadi, second is Adadi, because in that list of dhatus, the entire 2000 dhatus, the first gana is Bhadi, means the first dhatu listed in that list is Bhu. Similarly, in the second list, the first dhatu is Ad, so they are called Adadi. Then in the third gana, it is actually Hu dhatu, but here Panini has used the Lat Lakar Prathama Purusha Ekvachan Rupam Juhoti. So he has put Juhotyadi, I don't know why. Rest all he has given the name of the first dhatu itself. In the fourth gana, Div is the dhatu, so the fourth gana is called Divadi. Panchama gana Swadi, because the first dhatu is Su. Shashta gana Tudadi, because the first is Tuda. Saptama gana Rudhadi is Rudha dhatu beginning with. Then eighth gana is Tanadi, because the first dhatu is Tanu. Then ninth gana is Kriyadi, because the first dhatu is Kri. And last is 10th gana Churadi, because the first dhatu is Chur. Okay. So this is the one we have learned long back. Now I'll go back to our PowerPoint. So Tritiya Ganam Vihaya. Now Tritiya Gana is Jyotyadi Gana. Huh? So except all that, Pratipadikam is equal to Lat Lakar minus of see Prathama Purush Bahuvachan. From that you remove Anti and put At. In effect, you remove that T. Okay. And I mean, I'll show you how. So Gachat is there now. So the first Rupam, the Lat Lakar Prathama Purush Bahuvachan Kimasti Gachanti. So you remove Anti and put At. What happens? Gachat. This is a Pratipadikam. And then as per our that first, second table, it will have Gachan, Gacchantau, Gacchanta, Gacchantam, Gacchantav. And here 2.3 is Gacchataha. And 3.1 onwards, the same table number 1, Gacchata, Gacchadbham, Gacchadbhi, and all that. Okay. So the rule is for all the dhatus except the third gana, take the Prathama Purush Bahuvachan of Lat Lakara, remove Anti and put At. That is a simple thing. Okay. You will get Pratipadikam. Tritiya Gana Dhatva, what happens is here, not because there is no Anti there. If you open Dhatu Pada and put any Dhatu of Tritiya Gana, the Siddha, Da, Dadat, Dadati, Dadataha, Dadati, there is no Dadanti. So basically it removes Ati and put At. Because there is no Anti there. So I mean, this is a simple thing. So Da becomes Dadat. I mean, finally the form is same, Dadat. But here, when you do the Rupa, there is no Na. Okay. Dadan, that it doesn't become Dadan, Dadantau, Dadantaha. It just remains Dadat, Dadatau, Dadataha, Dadatam, Dadatau, Dadataha. Except for third Gana. Okay. So that is the most important thing. Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, same. So, I mean, now here another thing. No, sorry. Here we are getting the Pratipadikam in some way and then use it in the Prathama Vibhakti and all that. There is another way of remembering that lat laka the Prathama Purushasya Bahuvachan Rupam Yad Asti lat lakare. You remove T, that will give Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Simple. Okay. Like what we saw just now. Gacchanti. So remove T, just it will become here. Gacchanti, you remove T, it will get Gacchan. And Dadati will become Dadat. So instead of all this circus, you remove T from that and you get the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvajan. Why to go to Pratipadikam? But the answer to that is, I mean, the reverse way from Lat Lakar 1.3 minus T will give you Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. And that Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan, you remove, I mean, you make it somehow Takaran. If it is Nakaran, you make it Takaran. If it's Takaran, let it be Te. That is the Pratipadika. So you will be asking why we require Pratipadikam when we get ready-made Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Because for the other Vibhakti Pratyas, we need Pratipadikam. Unless we get Pratipadikam, we will not be able to get that. Okay. So that is the one. So I have given some examples here. I mean, using this reverse rule. Patadatu, lat lagar 1.3 is patanti. You remove T, you'll get patan. And make somehow that takaran, it will become patat. That is a pratipadikam. So nrityati, nritadhatu, nrityanti. So nrityan, that becomes nrityat. So you get both Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan as well as Pratipadikam. Likha, likhanti, likhan, likhat.
एक प्रश्न सर.
Just 1 minute. Let me finish this table. Chura, chorayanti, chorayan, chorayat. Da, dadati, remove ti, rather not ti, actually it should e only. Okay, dadat. And here is Pratipadikam dadat. Yes. Mahoday. Pruchadu.
सर्वे शत्रान्त शब्दाः तकारान्त भवति वा प्रतिपादिकम्?
Yes. That is basic, this one. Okay. Again, I'll go back to that.
Okay, fine, I understood.
No. Hold on. I mean,
Just confirming.
here see. At pratyanta pradipadikam. Always. Okay. Because in
Okay.
the word Shatru itself, as I said, in Shatru the Sh is packing, so it goes off. Ru, the Swara, it goes off because of sin. So only remaining part is At, and that is attached to the Dhatu. Okay. And of course, some Dhatu like Gamak cannot become Gamat. So we say you use the form which is used in the Gatlakar, Gachati. So Gachat, like that. Okay. Now the thing is, when you're, as I said in one sentence, I mean that was just a introduction. What is Shatru Pratyaya? How it is, derived and all that. Now we'll get this one. When you have like Patan or Khadan Balaka Gachati or something like that, then why do you want other Vibhakti Pratyayas? That is the use. Anyasu vibhaktishu shatranta shabdanam prayoga. Katham. Okay. So first I'll give an example for Dvitiya Vibhakti. See, I am telling somebody that Ashwaha gachati tam pasya. Okay. That means that Ashwaha is going, and I want somebody to see him, that horse. Now here this tam refers to Ashwaha, and that Ashwaha is going. Okay. So when I say, when I say to somebody that look that horse which is going, that going is a Visheshan of Ashwana. So first let us convert this Ashwaha Gacchati to some equivalent Visheshan Vishesha Bhava. So what happens is, this tam refers to Ashwaha. So let us, Ashwaha will remain Ashwaha as of now. And then Gacchati becomes Gacchan. So now this bracket Ashwaha Gacchan is one entity comprising of Visheshan, that is Gacchan, and Vishesha, that is Ashwaha. So and since Visheshan Vishesha Bhava, they should be in same vibhakti. Prathama, here in it is Prathama vibhakti, okay? But our aim is not this Prathama vibhakti, that we just original sentence we converted into Visheshan Vishesha Bhava, because the original one was Prathama vibhakti. Aim is to make it Dvitiya vibhakti, that tam pasya. That means this entire bracket, sorry, this entire bracket should change to Dvitiya vibhakti, right? So Ashwaha becomes Ashvam, and Gacchan, from that our table number 2, table number 2, Gacchan becomes Gacchantam. So this is that pair which finally replaces tam. Tam is this bracket changed to Dvitiya vibhakti. This tam is this entire bracket changed to Dvitiya vibhakti, Ashvam Gacchantam. And then that Pashya remains Pashya only. So if you combine all this, what happens is Gacchantam Ashvam Pashya. So here Ashwa is the object and Gacchantam is its Visheshanam of of the word Ashwa. But Ashwa itself is a karma of the padam, of the Kriya Padam Pashya. Is this understood? How to
Yes,
change
sir. Yes, sir.
Ashwaha
Understood.
Tam Pashya. So we want to concentrate on the Dhatu Pashya. So the karma is given as tam, but a tam is not single entity. It comprises of two. One is Ashwaha, other is Gacchati. So we change that Gacchati to Gacchan. So Ashwaha Gacchan is one object itself, the karma of the Kriya Padam Pashya. So sorry.
One question, sir.
Purchadu?
Instead, sorry, I am talking in English.
No
Instead
problem.
of Gachati, I want to change Pashyan, then how the line will get constructed?
No. Okay, Ashwa, or is the Ashwa Pashyati? Is the Ashwa seeing? What is
No,
it?
of course, Ashwa is not seen, but when we said
Huh?
one Kriya should be kept and rest all should be converted to Shatran,
No.
then if I choose to convert Pashya to Shatran,
Yes.
then what will happen?
Yeah, I will tell you what happens. Okay, let us see.
Because I want to understand how to decide which Kriya should be kept as Tikant and which one should be converted.
Yes. Okay. So here is this one. Kriya same. Sorry. If there are many kriyas done by, this one, their karta should be same. एकेन एव कर्ता अनेकाः क्रियाः युगपत् क्रियन्ते. Okay, in this example, where we got to that this one, okay. Uh, in this, there are two different kartas.
Yeah.
Okay. Ashva gachati. Ashva is doing only one kriya. And you are asking this tam pasya is being done by tvam. I mean, pasya is basically drishya dhatu, madhyam purush, ekvachan, lotlakar. So the karta is tvam. Tvam pasya. Tvam tam ashvam pasya. So now two different things. Now we are using that facility which was created for describing many kriyas by a single actor into that Shatru Pratyaya. We are using that just as this one. I mean, here if you want to add for the this one, okay, I will add that. Okay. See, Ashwaha Gachan Asti. The horse is going. In English, basically, so there are the two kriyas. He is going and he is existing also.
Yeah.
Huh? I mean, if I want to describe Mahabharata, I could say Ashwaha Gachan Asit. The horse was going. Or Ashwaha Gachan Bhavishyati. The horse may be going in future. So that is the, I mean, silent verb, asti. Okay. And out of that, we have changed one kriya to Shatru Pratyaya. And okay, this is, I mean, silent. So we will remove that. And this entire Ashwaha Gachan becomes a Visheshan, I mean, sorry, one entity which contains Visheshan as well as Visheshya. And that entire entity is the Karma Padam of the Dhatu Pashya. Now that Karta for Pashya is Tvam. Tvam Pashya, Kam Pashya, Ashvam Pashya, Kidrusham Ashvam, Gachantam Ashvam. That is the thing. Okay, because this is more important. We created some structure of the language. I mean, to use that Shatru Pratyaya to I mean, to become a Visheshan of something, of a Karta. Now, that Karta may be doing many actions or not, we are not bothered at this stage. We are just using that facility of describing the Kriya of a Karta by Visheshan. That's all. Is this okay? I mean, am I clear?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay. Because next will be slightly even more, because here it is only Dvitiya Vibhakti. Let us see. Okay. Next, if you people are able to do. Anyas Vibhakti Shatranta Shabdanam Prayoga. Oh, this I have already given. Now, Balakaha Dhavati Tena Kandukam Kshiptam. A boy is running and he has thrown the ball. How will you change? Using the Shatru Rupam for Dhavati. What will be the Pratipadikam for this Dhavati?
Dhavat.
Dhavat. and तृतीय विभक्ति प्रत्यय किम् अस्ति?
धावता
धावता. So now tena refers to balakaha. So balaka should change to how it tena
बालक
Balaken.
balakena, and its visheshan is just now Bhagini uktavati खलु.
धावता
धावता बालकेन कन्दुकं क्षिप्तम्. Okay, the running boy has thrown the ball. That is all. Okay. Now शिशु रोदिति तस्मै दुग्धम देहि. Okay. Now roditi. So what is the lat lakar prathama purush bahuvachan of ruddha dhatu? Anybody remembers?
रोदति
No.
रोदिति
हाँ.
रोदिति
हाँ. रुदन्ति.
रुदन्ति
रुदन्ति
Okay, rudanti.
रुदति
So no, rudanti is a lat lakar pratham purush bahuvachan. So the pratipadikam will be rudat. Okay, and tasmai. So what will be the chaturthi pratyaya? Rudat.
Rudate.
Rudate. A pratyaya. Okay, and shishu.
शिशवः
Shishave.
Chaturthi. So
Shishave. Shishave.
So rudite shishave dugdham dehi. Give the milk to a child who is crying. Okay. Now Rathaha chalati tasmat Vijay some person name. Something came to my mind. Some Vijaya. Okay, Vijaya avatarati. The Ratha is going. From that Vijaya gets down. Okay. So chalati kim bhavati this one Shatranna pratipadikam
Chalat.
chalat. Now tasmad is panchami vibhakti khalo.
Chalataha.
So chalataha and rathaha.
Rathat.
Chalataha rathat Vijaya avatarati. Okay. Ashwaha dhavati tasya varnaha rakta. A horse is running whose his color is red, whatever it is, brown or so. Dhavati kim bhavati pratipadikam?
धावतः अश्वस्य वर्णः
Rakta. Very good. You're jump many steps, but very good. Appreciate. Okay. So dhawataha ashwasya varnaha raktaha. Now here next step there is one very peculiar thing about Shatru Pratyayanta Rupa. Okay, rather all Halanta Pratyayas. Vrishabha Tishtati Tasmin Shivaha Upavishati. The bull is standing and Shiva sits on that. Okay. So what is this one? Tishtati Tasya Pratipadikam Kim Bhavati?
Shtat.
Tishthat. Dhatu, but lat lakar prathama purush bahuvachan tishtanti. You remove all that and get tishthat as a pratipadikam. Okay. So and saptami vibhakti ekvachan tasmin.
तिष्ठति
Again.
तिष्ठति एव
Okay. But the tishtati what you obtained just now is different from the tishtati which is written here. This tishtati is the lat lakar prathama purush ekvachan, whereas that tishtati which you just now told is the saptam ekvachan of the shatru pratyayanta rupam tishthat. Okay, but both look similar, both mean different thing. Okay, and what about vrishabha?
वृषभे
Vrishabhe. Okay. So, Tishtati Vrishabhe Shivaha Upavishati. Right? Is this understood properly?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I will be sharing this with you on, I will be sending it by WhatsApp, but I mean, for you to understand, we'll run through it once more if you want. Okay. But this just, and for your understanding, I have given only the Pullingi Shabdas here. Okay. So now, I mean, but most important thing to understand here is Dhavata Balakena, that Visheshan Vishesha Bhava between Shatru Pratyaya and Karta. Rudite Shishave, Chalataha Rathat, Dhavataha Ashwasya, Tishtati Vrishabhe. This is seventh, this is sixth, this is Panchami Vibhakti, this is Chaturthi Vibhakti, this is Tritiya Vibhakti, and earlier one we saw Gachantam Ashvam Pashya, that is Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, Shatru Pratyaya can be used as a Visheshan of object which is doing that action. It may not be doing many actions. Okay, as in the first, I told when a person is doing many actions, that time you use Shatru Pratyaya. Yes, that is also there, because all other kriyas we put as a Visheshan of that this one, and one kriya was taken as Tinganta Pratyaya. But the main crux of the whole thing is, if somebody is doing some action using Shatru Pratyaya, we can describe that person or the Karta as with a Visheshan with that Shatru Pratyaya. That is more important. Okay. Now you open your page number 158. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, for example, this Chalati is there, or Roditi, or Dhavati. For this Vibhakti, where we can get in ashtadhyayi.com, sir?
I will give you. No. Vibhakti of the Shatru Pratyaya, no. Or you are talking of that Latlakar, Chalati, Chalataha, Chalanti.
Yeah, for Chalati, here we are writing Chalataha.
Huh.
So, where will we get this Chalataha in Ashtadhyayi, if we don't know?
You may not get, I don't know, let's check up. Okay. In Shabda Patha, let me see this one, Halant Shabdas. It is here. Okay. Bhavat Takaranta Spallinga. But this is different. Okay, just wait a minute. He has given some which you people may not be familiar with. And simple dhatus he has not taken. I don't know why. I mean,
Sir, if not here, where else we will get, sir?
I have already given you here now. Have you understood how to make the pratipadika of that dhatu?
Yes, sir, that I understood.
Then use this table. Simple. Okay. From Tritiya Vibhakti to up to 8, there is no problem. Only for Prathama and Ditya use this table number 2.
Sir, what question?
Yeah.
Except for Prathama and Dvitiya, the Sataranta item should be declined as Takaranta. Correct?
Yes, exactly.
That's how we can understand and decline.
Yes, exactly. That is what I'm doing. Here also same.
Okay, thanks.
In question with table number 2, that is what at pratyanta, when I say it, that time also somebody asked, is at pratyanta means shatru pratyanta? Yes, because that time you people were not exposed to what is the name shatru and all that. I didn't want to confuse more, so I just put at pratyanta. And here it gachan, gachando, gachata, that this is the one shat, except for tritiya gana. That I said, in tritiya gana it will not be dadan dadanta, it will be just dadat dadata udadata and all that. But this is a general rule. And tritiya vibhakti onwards, same thing like this. All the pratyas will be same. Okay. So, let us get, because this is a basis on which your next few, even in Gita Sopan 3 and 4 will be dependent on this. So, let us clear this doubt once forever. I am ready to repeat this many number of times till you people understand this.
So all examples what we have seen now are in Ekvachanam only.
You are most welcome. We will when we come to this one, you will be able to. Why I gave only simple things is to make you understand. Once you understand graph, then we can go to from simpler to harder part.
Okay, sir.
It can be dvivachan, it can be bahuvachan. Okay, it can be prathama vibhakti, it can be saptami vibhakti, shashti, anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here, suppose I change this ashvau dhavataha, tayoho varnaha raktaha. Can somebody change? This is dvivachan now. Ashwaha, so I make it dvivachan, ashwaha, ashvau dhavataha. Or to be on the simpler side, I will say ashwaha dhavanti, tesham varnaha raktaha. So pratipadikam of dhavati will be
Dhavat.
dhavat. Shashti bahuvachan,
Dhavantam.
not dhavantam. Why nakar?
Dhavatam. Dhavatam.
Dhavatam. So dhavatam and ashwa shashti vibhakti bahuvachan.
Ashwa.
Ashwanam.
Ashwanam.
So what will be the sentence? Dhavatam
Dhavantam. Ashwanam.
varnaha raktaha.
Varnaha. Rakta.
Okay. Now, Shishuhu Roditi, Tasmai Dugdam Dehi. Okay. So, change it to say Dvivachan. Shishu Ruditaha. Okay. To Shishu Dirga. Shishuhu, Shishu, Shishavaha. So, Shishu Ruditaha. Tabhyam Dugdam Dehi. So, we got Rudat as the Pratipadikam. So, Chaturthi Dvivachan will be
Rudidbhyam.
Ruditabhyam. Or Rudidbhyam. Rudidbhyam, Shishubhyam.
Shishav.
No, Shishubhyam.
Dugdam Dehi. शिशुभ्यां
दुग्धं देहि, रुदिभ्यां शिशुभ्यां दुग्धं देहि. Okay. धावता बालकेन कंदुकं क्षिप्तम. Change it to say बहुवचन. बालकाः धावन्ति, तैः कंदुकं क्षिप्तम.
तावद्भिः बालकाभिः
बालकैः.
बालकैः
हाँ? धावद्भिः बालकैः कंदुकं क्षिप्तम. So this is more, crux is this. Change the dhatu to shatru, then use that as a visheshan of the karta, and whichever vibhakti karta is there, it can be changed. Okay. So you are done properly. All these sentences we have changed from sometimes Bhavajan, Rudidbhyam, Shishubhyam, or Dhavadbhi Balakaihi, Dhavatam Ashwanam. So very good. I think if it is becoming too much, we will have a pause here. Okay. Let us digest this. No point in going in hurry. Okay, just one step and then we'll start reading the book. Okay, so this is Strilingi Shabdanam Rupa Siddhi Shatru. Okay, and in here there is some problem of that Gana Sankhya. Okay, see, Gana Sankhya 1, 4 and 10, as I said, that Vadi, Divadi and Churadi. So lat lakarasya prathama purush bahuvachan rupam minus e plus e. So gachanti, you remove e and add e, becomes gachanti. Okay. Gana Sankhya 6, that Tudadi Gan. Okay. There, what happens is there is option given. Either you keep na or remove na. Both are possible. Okay. So here it can be likhanti or likhati, both. Is only for sixth gana, that is more important. Okay, rest all is 1, 4, 10, about other 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 we will see later. This is more easier to understand. So gachanti becomes gachanti dirgha, and a sixth gana becomes either likhanti or likhati. Okay, so, and look at this one. These are the pratipadiks. Gachanti dirghai. So likhati dirghai. So etesham sarvesham vibhakti rupani nadi shabdavat bhavanti. Not like that gachat, the gachan, gachanto, gachanta, that was for pullingi shabda. Halanta. Here fortunately ending with e, dirghai. So very easy to understand. Okay. So this much is clear. I think it is not yet gone down well. Okay. Okay, we'll come back to that. We will end the show here. Right. If any doubt, I'll come back to the this one again. Okay. So now, as we said last time, we will start taking, reading from the bottom side. सो संदेश महोदय भवान् पठति वा? पेज नंबर 158.
आं महोदय 158 चतुर्विंशतिपाठः कुर्वन् अपि न लिप्यते
Okay.
चतुर्थपर्यन्तं
This Kurvan we will come later, or shall I open this one? Okay. 1 minute. Here I had told that except for the third gana, rest all ganas, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The Pratipadikam is Lat Lakar 1.3 minus Anti plus At. So Kru Dhatu, what will be the Pratipadikam? Or Kru Dhatu, what is the Lat Lakar 1.3 in Parasmay Padam?
Kurvanti.
Kurvanti. So apply this rule, minus Anti plus At.
Kurvan comes.
Yeah, Kurvat Pratipadikam, and this Atprat and the Rupam Kurvan, Kurvantau, Kurvantaha, right? And what is the meaning of that Kurvan? One who does. I mean, that is the Visheshan of that. Just 1 minute. Okay. So, Kurvan, Kurvantau, Kurvantaha, Kurvantam, Kurvantau, Kurvataha. That is this one. Okay. So, Kurvan api na lipyate. So, I mean, this is again Karmani. Kurvan api na lipyate. Kaha something saha. Saha Kurvan api na lipyate. While doing also, he is not engulfed. That is the. We will see what is the lipyate and all that later. Okay. Sandesh Mहोदय अग्रे पठतु.
उच्चैः पठता अवगच्छत चतुरन्तप्रत्ययान्तानां प्रयोगः कुन्ती द्रौपदी कृष्णः भीमः धर्मराजः अर्जुनः नकुलसहदेवौ अन्ये च कुन्ती वत्स कृष्णः भवान् अस्मदर्थे अस्माकम् आपदां निवारणार्थे कियत् कष्टम् अनुभवन् अस्ति.
Okay, here the main thing is Anubhavan. Okay, so Anu Dhatu, Anu Upasarga, Bhu Dhatu, and Bhu Dhatoho Shatrantam Bhavadi, Bhavanti minus that jugglery, Bhavan. So Anubhavan, and that is the Visheshan of Bhavan. That is Bhavan Anubhavan Asti. So you are experiencing. Rest all simple. Asmadarte asmakam apadam nivaranarte kiyat kashtam. All that. Asmadarte means for us. Asmakam ours. आपदां निवारणार्थे to remove the difficulties, kiyat kashtam, how much difficulty you are experiencing. So Kunti is telling Krishna. Now next, I think Jyoti Bhagini, na? Patadiva? Next.
महोदय कृष्णः पितृश्वसः भवती यावत् वात्सल्यं दर्शयन्ती अस्ति तावतः वात्सल्यस्य फलम् अनुभवन्तः वयं यत्किञ्चित् कुर्मः तत्र किं नाम कष्टम्.
Now here 2, 3 this one. Pitrushvasaha. What is the pratipadikam? What is the meaning?
Auntie.
Huh?
Aunt.
No, aunt, but which aunt? There are so many aunts in.
Sister of father.
Father's sister.
Father's
sister.
But what is the pratipadikam?
Pitrushvasa.
No. Here, what is this Pitrushvasaha? Is it Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan or Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachan?
Sambodhana.
Huh?
Sambodhana Ekvachan.
Sambodhana Ekvachan, yes. So, can you derive back what is the Pratipadikam? Pitrushvasru. Rukarant Shabd, like Matru. Okay. And this is a compound word. Samasa Hasti. Pitru is one and the next is Swasru. That Swasru becomes Shwasru because of some rule. So Pitru Shwasru and Sambodhan is Pitru Shwasaha. So father's sister. Bhavati Yavat Vatsalyam. You know what is Yavat?
How much ever?
Jitna. Okay. That much. Vatsalyam. No, here Darshayanti. Okay. Now here slightly more this one. It is not Drusha Dhatu. It is Drusha in the Nijanta form. Because Drusha as it is will be Pashyan. Okay. So it is the Nijanta form Darshayanti. Okay, Darshayat. And that Latlakar Prathama Purush Bahuvachan will be Darshayanti. I mean small t. Darshayati, Darshata, Darshayanti. And that Anti, you change it to Dirgai, that becomes that Strilingi Parthipadikam, what we just now learned. Okay. One who is showing. Okay. Not seeing, showing. So, Bhavati Darshayanti Asti. You are showing. So, Darshayanti is the Visheshan of Bhavati. Bhavati Darshayanti Asti. You are showing. What showing? Vatsalyam. How much? Yavat. Tavataha Vatsalyam. Tavataha Vatsalyasya Phalam. Now, Tavataha again is that same Takara Shashti Vibhakti. It is the Visheshan of Vatsalyasya. Tavataha Vatsalyasya Phalam. Anubhavantaha Vayam. Vayam Anubhavantaha. Again, same that Anubhavan. Same like Gachan, Gachantav, Gachantaha. So Anubhavan, Anubhavantav, Anubhavantaha. Anubhavanta is the Visheshan of Vayam. Vayam Anubhavantaha. We are experiencing or a Visheshan of Vayam. Yat Kinchit Kurmaha. Whatever we do, or we should do something. Tatra Kim Nama Kashtam. What is it? I mean, where is the question of Kashtam in that case? Okay. So that Krishna says to her. So next is, let me see who is after Jyoti Bhagini. Shraddha Bhagini, Bhavati Patati va?
Yes. Draupadi, Bhratah, Mama Balle, Aham Bhavantam Alpam Upacharanti, Ekada Sevitavati.
Okay.
Tena Alpena Upacharena, Eva Prasanno, Bhavan, Asman Visheshana, Mam Rakshan Eva Bhavati. वयं सदा कृतज्ञाः भवतः विषये.
Okay. Now here two words, upacharanti and rakshan. Okay. So upacharanti, that upa plus chara dhatu and shatru pratyaya will be charat. In the striling it will be charanti dirghai. So I mean upacharanti is while nursing you, and when he might have got some injury or wound or something, so that time when she uh, acted as a nurse to him, so upacharanti ekada sevit aham upacharanti, I while serving you or this one nursing you, upacharanti or maybe treating you, aham upacharanti sevitavati. Now sevitavati is what? Can somebody say what is this sevitavati in grammar, not in this one?
Tavatu pratyaya.
तवतु प्रत्यय स्त्रीलिंगी फॉर्म प्रथम विभक्ति एक वचन. ओके. सो अहम उपचरन्ति एकदा सेवितवती एंड उपचरन्ति कम उपचरन्ति भवन्तम एंड कीदृशम उपचरन्ति अल्पम उपचरन्ति. I mean, I might have done little bit of this one, not much. तेन अल्पेन उपचारेण, with that small my help or treating, अल्पेन एव उपचारेण प्रसन्नः भवान् अस्मान् विशेषेण मां रक्षन् एव भवति. अस्मान् अस् विशेषेण माम्, in particular to me, रक्षन् एव भवति. भवान् रक्षन् भवति. You are protecting us. That is it. I mean, Bhavan Bhavati, you be or you are. And Rakshan is the Visheshan of Bhavan. Bhavan Rakshan Bhavati. Okay. So now next is Prakash Mahoday. Bhavan Patati va?
भगिनी, भवत्याः तादृश्यः आपदः आपतन्त्यः एव सन्ति.
Okay.
कथम् अहं श्वसन् तः उपेक्षे इदं तु मम लघु कर्तव्यम्.
Okay. Apatantyah. So compare this with Nadi. Nadi, Nadyav, Nadyaha. So Apatantyah means Apatanti. Apatanti. No, here A is Upasarga. Basic dhatu is Pata. Pata, Patanti. So Patanti, I mean Dirghai will be the Shatru Pratyaya striling form of that this one. So Apatanti is आप गिरते हैं, something like that. Okay. Kaha apatantyah apadah. Again, apadav apada halant shabda is strilingi form and bahuvachan is apadah. So apadah apatantyah eva santi. तुम्हारे ऊपर तो आपदाएं आके गिरती ही रहती है, something like that. Okay. Tadrushyaha means again tadrushi, tadrushav, tadrushyaha. We have done this in drushant shabda. So like that, difficulties are always falling upon you. Bhavatya, okay, for you. Katham aham shwasan. Again, shwasa is to breathe. Aham shwasan taha upekshe. Upekshe is again, how can I, this upekshe,
Ignore.
ignore, upasarga and iksha dhatu, atmanepadi, aham ikshe, so aham upekshe. How can I ignore? But aham shwasan, what is the meaning of shwasan? Breathing, but in the indirect meaning is when I am living, how can I ignore that? मैं जिंदा हूं तो कैसे छोड़ सकता हूं, something like that. Okay. And taha upeksha, taha is the sa te taha tam te taha. So dvitiya vibhakti ekvachan of sa. Katham shwasan taha upekshe. Idam tum mama lagu kartavyam. This is my small duty. Okay. Right. प्रकाश महोदय अभवत्. नारायण महोदय पठति वा?
कृष्णः भगिनी भवत्याः तादृशः योग धर्मराजः कृष्ण एतावन्ति विश्वव्यवहारकार्याणि कुर्वन् अपि भवान् कथं न लिप्यते?
Okay, so etavanti, again this is a napusakalingi shabda, etavat, and we have done this in the halanta shabdanam vibhakti table number 6, jagat jagati jaganti. So etavanti means this much, itne actually in Hindi. Etavanti karyani, vishwa vyavahar is the compound form. एतावन्ति कार्याणि, विश्व व्यवहार कार्याणि, इतने काम कुर्वन् means, and kurvan is the visheshana of bhavan. Kurvan bhavan, bhavan who is doing, I mean you who are doing, etavanti vishwa vyavahar karyani kurvan api bhavan katham na lippete, how don't you get stained by those? I mean lippete is basically get involved in that and all that. Okay, rather those in the this one है ना, न च तानि कर्माणि माम लिम्पन्ति and all that. So those things are not smearing me. I mean I am not getting smeared by those world duties. So एतावन्ति, इतने इतने सारे काम करने के बावजूद आपको मतलब उनका कुछ परिणाम नहीं होता. I mean I don't know in Hindi how to do. Okay, नारायण. मेधा भगिनी भवती पठति वा?
पठितुं न शक्नोमि, इन्दालय समस्या अस्ति.
कण्ठा अस्ति.
चेन्नै मार्गे.
अस्तु अस्तु. महालक्ष्मी भगिनी.
कृष्णः आर्य भवन्तः सर्वेपि अनेकानि साधारणकार्याणि कुर्वन्तः सन्तः तेषु न लिप्यन्ते. विशेषकार्येषु संलग्नन्तः लिप्यन्ते इव भवन्ति. एवम् एव अहमपि.
Very good. So Krishna is telling Dharmaraj, Arya, he is addressing Dharmaraj as Arya, I mean elder brother. एतावन्ति भवन्तः सर्वे अपि अनेकानि साधारणकार्याणि कुर्वन्तः सन्तः तेषु न लिप्यन्ते. You also, I mean भवन्तः कुर्वन्तः सन्तः, concentrate only these three words. Bhavantah kurvantah santah. Now this santah is not the sage. I mean that is also one word. Santa means, say, Santa Sadhu Mahatma. So if you decline that word like Rama, Santah Santau Santah Santam Santam Santau Santan, that is also acceptable. But here it is the combined kurvantah santah is kurvan asti tasya, this one. Okay, अस् धातोः शत्रु प्रत्ययान्त रूपम सत् भवति. सत् सन्तौ सन्तः, सन् सन्तौ सन्तः, लाइक दैट. सो कुर्वन्तः सन्तः, भवन्तः सर्वेपि अनेकानि साधारणकार्याणि कुर्वन्तः सन्तः तेषु न लिप्यन्ते. You also are doing so many small jobs and you don't get engulfed or you don't get smeared by them. Okay, or you don't get engulfed in that, in those things. Teshu na lipyante. Vishesha karyeshu salagantaha. Okay, samlagantaha. So lag dhatu, again same, I mean getting attached to that. Okay, लिप्यन्ते इव भवन्ति, एवं अहमपि. So I mean, here there is some, I think I'll take up with Sanskrit Bharati. Visheshu karyeshu salagantaha. Okay. So here it should be bhavantaha. Okay. Not bhavanti, bhavantaha. So bhavantaha salagantaha. So you get attached to that and then you get lipyante. So, I mean, if you are doing some small jobs, you don't get engulfed in that. But when you do some special duty, then you get attached to that. That is the thing. So, evam eva aham api. So, I mean, same thing true for me also. Okay. Krishna Kumar Mahodaya.
भीमः
Hmm.
निर्लिप्ततां साधयितुं कथं शक्नोमि यतः अहं यत्किञ्चित् कार्यं विदधत् अपि कौरवाणां विषये क्रोधं त्यक्तुं न शक्नोमि.
Okay. Now this vidadhat, we will concentrate on this. V plus dha, vidadhati dhatu. Okay. V plus dha is to do. Okay. So vidadhat is while doing. Anyat kinchit karyam vidadhat api means while doing any other job also. Kauravanam vishay krodam tyaktum na shaknumi. I am not able to get rid of my anger for the Kauravas. Okay. Yataha means because. Now nirliptatam sadhaitum katham shaknomi. Okay, how can I get detached like that? Okay. Nirliptata sadhaitum, to achieve or to practice that nirliptata, detachment. Katham shaknomi, how can I do that? Because aham yat kinchit karyam vidadadapi, while doing also any small job, Kauravanam vishay krodham tyaktum na shaknomi. I am not able to get, I mean, to discard the anger about Kauravas. Okay, Jai Lakshmi Bhagini.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
कृष्णः
Hmm.
भीमसेन भवतः निर्लिप्तता विलसन्ति एव प्रवर्तते. क्रोधकार्यमेवं त्यजन् अन्यत्र कार्येषु निर्लिप्तः एव अस्ति भवान्.
Now he is telling the other way around. Bhima is telling, I am not able to get rid of anger. This Krishna is saying, no. Okay. Nirliptata vilasanti. Vilasanti is shining, na? Vilasat is to shine. V plus lasdhatu. Vilasat. So, Shatra Pratyaya Strilingi form. Vilasanti means which is shining. Nirliptata vilasanti eva pravartate. So, your detachment is shining, looks like. Pravartate means exists. Okay. Krodha karyam yat ekam tyajan अन्यत्र कार्येषु निर्लिप्तः अस्ति भवान्. Okay. Now you leave krodha and I mean krodha karyam tyajan, while leaving or discarding the anger, anyatra karyeshu nirliptah eva asti bhavan. You leave this anger and you are able to get yourself engaged in other jobs. But Bhima is saying, no, I am not able to forget all that. Krishna is saying, no, you forget and get, I mean, already I know that you are doing that. So Bhima says, ha ha ha. So Gayatri Bhagini, bhavati padati va agre Arjuna.
अस्तु महोदय. अस्तु. अर्जुनः अहम् अन्येन सह युद्धं कुर्वन् अपि अभिमन्युं विस्मर्तुं न शक्नोमि.
अन्येन सह युद्धं कुर्वन् अपि. Okay. Now, kurvan vismartum na shaknomi. Yuddham kurvan vismartum na shaknomi. While doing the battle, anyena sah, with other also, Abhimanyu vismartum na shaknomi. I am not able to forget Abhimanyu. How can I? Okay. Yeah. Now who is the next? Aruna Bagini? No, Gayatri. Who read just now?
I read, sir.
Okay. Gayatri. Okay.
Yes.
Whose turn is first is Gayatri, then Aruna.
Yes. कृष्णः पार्थ भवान् अभिमन्यु व्यामोहं विसृजन् युध्यताम् तदा एव विजयः भविष्यति.
Visrujan. Vyamoham vismrujan. Vyamoham is that is state of mind. You can understand what is it. Abhimanyu Vyamoham. That he is thinking of so Vyamoham Visrujan Yuddhatam. See here he is using Lotlakar. Yuddhatam. I mean Yuddham Kuru. Okay. And how, in what state? Vyamoham Visrujan. By leaving all that feelings about Abhimanyu. Visrujan. Visrujan is to discard or to drop. By dropping that feeling, you fight. Tada eva vijayaha bhavishyati. Then only you will achieve victory. Na? The victory will happen only after that. So now I'll read others. Nakula Sadevo, Krishna, Shuraputre Abhimanyu.
One question, sir.
Yes?
In this line, why he has used Bhavishyati? Because their Vijay has already taken place, isn't it? They already won the war.
No. I mean, from this, see, he has not yet, see, Abhimanyu, he is not able to forget Abhimanyu. That means the Jayadratha is still alive. Isn't it?
I don't know what is the state of position exactly, but
I mean, you have to read between the lines. He says he is not able to forget Abhimanyu and all that. So that may be before Jayadratha's slaying.
Possibly, yes.
So, I mean, and then Krishna says, Tadaiva Vijaya Bhavishyati. So that time, then only you will get victory. So that means
war is still not over.
War is still not yet over. That is, I mean, we what do you say, infer from these lines.
Okay.
Now read the second, this one. I'll read that. Nakula Sadevu, they are telling both. Krishna, Shuraputre Abhimanyu. Now Shuraputra is Visheshan of Abhimanyu. So Saptami Ekvachan. Shuraputre Abhimanyu. Katham Bhrata means Arjuna. Anuragam Vimunchan Sthatum Shaknoti. Anuragam is the Preeti. Or the feeling, fatherly feeling. Vimunchan Sthatum Shaknoti. Vimunchan is again V Upasarga Much Dhatu. Vimunchan, by leaving the Anurag. Sthatum Shaknoti. How can he stand there without, how can he stay without leaving his feeling for Abhimanyu? Okay. Avamapi kila tasmin pranan dharayanto nivasavaha. Okay. Avamapi pranan dharayanto nivasavaha. Okay. So tasmin refers to Abhimanyu. In him, we are also holding pranan tasmin pranan dharayanto. Okay, dharayanto dharayantaha. Holding. Okay, now prananda, now this is a metaphor. we are also holding our lives in him. Okay, I mean, this is something that, and Nivasava, we are also living by holding our lives in him. It is Abhimanyu. I mean, they want to take revenge on that. That is a metaphor. Nivasava, ni upasarga, vasa dhatu, vasami, vasavaha, vasamaha. Okay, so Uttam Purush, Dvivachan. भवतां निर्लिप्तता साधनाय उपायम उपदिशन कानिचित कार्याणि सूचयामि. Okay, so upayam upadishan सूचयामि, these three. Upayam is remedy, upadishan prescribing, सूचयामि I inform or I tell. I tell you the remedy, I mean, prescribing some remedy. Kanichit karyani suchayami, I will tell you some jobs, okay, while prescribing a medicine to overcome the grief, and nirliptata sadhanaya, for getting detached, this one. Tani anutishthantaha anubhavantu. What is anutishthantaha? Can somebody say?
Follow.
Yeah, but what is this one? Anu upasarga stha dhatu shatru pratyanta prathama vibhakti tishthanti and you put anu upasarga anutishtanta. So anutishtati is to perform or to follow some ritual. Okay, so those remedies you follow, anutishtanta anubhavantu. I mean, you experience those things while following those prescriptions. Okay, so astu भवान् यथा कथयति वयं तथा अनुतिष्ठन्तः साधनं कुर्मः. So we whatever you say, we will follow your that prescriptions and we will do the jobs. Okay, sadhanam kurmaha. So this is up to the lesson 24. Now I will be we have not yet finished the shatru pratyaya. Okay, now there is no time. This one next week we will do more detailed, this one, revision of whatever I had taught today, plus how to get the let me see whether we have come to because in Strilingi Pratyaya there is some this one. Okay, I think this we will discuss in, because this will take more time. So anyway, I'll just give the this one. This I said na, for the sixth gana only there are two forms. One is likhanti, other is likhati, and for all others, or rather first 4 and 10th, gachanti or chorayanti or nrityanti dirgha, and all these forms will go like vibhakti rupa nadi shabdavat. So that some vilasanti and all that, some 2-3 forms we saw. Only one is there, vilasanti, darshayanti. Okay, so I'll be sharing this darshayanti, upacharanti and vilasanti. Basically, Shatru Pratyaya is used as a Visheshan of the Karta something. For your understanding, first I started with the this one. How the meaning of this one, that when there are more than one kriyas, one can be kept as tinganta and rest can be with shatru pratyaya and shanach pratyaya. Okay, that was just to the introduction to shatru shanach, and then go use that as visheshan vishesha bhava for the other this one. Because this visheshan vishesha bhava is more used in the lesson more abundantly. Right? So as far as the lesson is concerned, I will not go beyond this. I don't expect you to digest this in one go. Next week, if required, we will revise this again, and I'll be sharing the PowerPoint slides with you on the group. Kindly revise, and just for your this one, on 9th we will have exam on that Kartari, Karmani and Bhave Prayoga. Okay, 9th of January, that is 2 weeks henceforth. So kindly prepare for that. Now I will stop recording and you can ask questions, or we will this one. Okay. I'll say the Shanti Mantra. Then we will stop here, and those who want to ask some doubts about earlier lessons, they can ask, or even Shatru Pratyaya you can ask. Okay, no problem. So, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.